How to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts. Easy solution. If you're seeing the message, due to repeated failed attempts, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. This error usually shows up when you or someone else has tried logging into your Snapchat account too many times with the wrong password. Snapchat blocks access temporarily to protect your account from hackers or bots. First and easiest fix, just wait. Snapchat usually lifts the block after a few hours. In most cases, waiting for about 12 to 24 hours solves the problem. If you forgot your password or think someone else tried logging in, tap on Forgot Your Password on the login screen. You can reset it using your email or phone number. Once you reset your password, wait a bit, then try logging in again. Sometimes the app stores old login data. To fix that, go to your phone's settings, find Snapchat, tap on Storage, and clear the cache. Then open Snapchat and try logging in again. If the block is linked to your IP address, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. This refreshes your connection and may let you log in again. If nothing else works, uninstall Snapchat completely and reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. This gives you a fresh version of the app and can remove hidden issues. And that's it. These simple steps should help you fix the repeated failed attempts error on Snapchat. If it worked for you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.